Lights back on. Apparently Ultra HD heats up the phone too much to keep recording. I stuck the top box back in. All these bulbs, you'll notice it, this one behind here, I think it doesn't come off. I changed some of these to LEDs. That's why you'll notice that they're kind of whiter than the other ones. LEDs aren't cheap, but I wanted to experiment with them. This one's an LED. You might notice that it's not exactly as bright as the others. Sometimes you just need to wiggle it. That bulb looks burned out. You can get these bulbs on eBay most likely, or go to rudydeals.com, or Rudy's Deals, plural. That guy has tons of stuff and it's all reasonably priced, fast shipping. I bought plenty from him. Let's put this top box back in. Alright, what's it hang up on? Huh? It's like that wire sticking out, and it shouldn't be. You couldn't see it, but that red wire is sticking out a little bit. Trying to stick this box back in. No, it's going past it. Top box slides right back in. If the game sound in the top is not working, just try shoving this back in. If I had both hands available, you can just kind of shove it. Make sure it's plugged into that back socket really well. Line these back down. These are both back down. These two switches you'll probably never need to use. Just make sure that's plugged in. You can kind of see where these connectors still are. They shouldn't come loose. Everything should be fine on the top. Be very careful changing these bulbs. This plastic is very brittle. These at least are easy on the outside. A couple might be out. I think maybe two of them are. I know in here there's a couple missing. I can't remember if these are 12 volt or 24 volt bulbs. Online it'll tell you. I can try and look it back up. But that's pretty much it. Make sure this door is closed. Put your top glass back in. I'm going to pause the camera, get that glass back in. Again, you're just going to make sure it goes up inside this piece. If this top box isn't back far enough, it will not go up in there, which will tell you that you need to push that back farther. But it'll need to go up in this groove, right up in there, and then it's going to go down in front of this piece on both sides. Alright, I got the top glass back in. You shouldn't hear any cracking sounds while you're trying to put it in there. It should go in nice and easy. Just goes in on an angle like this and drop it flat. Push it behind these two tabs. Put this black piece back in. Word drop, see up. Those little tabs go inside there first, and then push it down. And it just snaps in place. That's it. You should have your game on. I'm going to pull this out because I'm not going to put the cord through. I don't believe there's a hole in the back. There's no holes in the back to have it come out, so it does have to come out through the bottom. This I will be taking off. Well, maybe I won't take it off. I'll probably take this off and stick it inside the coin hopper just so it doesn't get damaged. They've taped it on. I don't know if there's... No, there's a screw there. You probably have to take that top box back out and put a nut back through that to secure that. It looks like there isn't a second screw. This is your reset key. I will put that inside the hopper as well. I'll put it in, like tape it. I'll get some tape and just tape it right here. And that's where you're going to find your reset key. Just so it doesn't get lost or bent from shipping. Your handle works. I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm going to pull this cord out, show you that it's still working.